Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Oliver Travels, and today I have a little treat for you. I'm going to take you inside this food truck just behind me here and show you the inside and how they prepare their food. Let's go and check out Greek&Grill. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment so I know if you like this video. It helps the channel a lot. And make sure you watch all the way to the end. I'm going to have some news for you. This is Christopher and Georgios, two of the three owners of Greek&Grill. Good morning, guys. Are you awake?
Yeah, we are okay.
Yeah, you had a good night's sleep?
Have a good sleep.
Yeah?
Now we are preparing for our day.
And how was yesterday?
It was perfect.
Yeah?
It was our first day in the summer.
Uh-huh.
We had some travel issues with the coronavirus. But for first day it was great.
Nice to hear. I'm happy for you guys.
Yeah.
Greek&Grill is one of the hottest food trucks in Oslo. They started their business back in 2019. Their day starts early at 9 o'clock, loading the food truck with all the ingredients prepared the day before. The food truck is mainly based at Aker Brygge. Compared to other cities in the world, you don't need to fight for location. In Oslo, you share the same location with other food trucks, all organized by Oslo Municipality. Opening hours are from 11 till 20:30 every day, unless the weather says different, like rain or snow. Greek pita gyros and mega gyros are the crowd pleasers and bestsellers. The rumors say that the tzatziki has been in the family in generations. All ingredients are imported from Greece to give you the best Greek food experience. Another road for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And here are the news. These guys are gonna open up a small little restaurant here in Oslo. Make sure you follow this channel. I'm gonna give you all the updates and where it is and everything. See you around.